the introduction to this topic, that is combination of functions, and all the questions that we have solved so far. So if you have any question, please put your question in the comment below and I'll be able to respond or to attend to you. Okay, so we have question A. Now in question A, we want to find the combination of our functions hx and gx. Alright, so this can also be denoted as just hg. So this means we're going to substitute the function gx into hx, right? So what we are getting there is, so we have our function hx, which is 3x minus 2. Now we have our 3 there. We open a bracket, substitute that by x over x minus 1. Now if we close that, we are going to have minus 2, right? So let's see what we are getting here if we do that. Okay, so if we do that, we are going to have that's 3x there over x minus 1. So we have x minus 1 minus 2 over 1, right? So you have your lowest common denominator there, which is x minus 1, and on top there we're going to have, that will be 3x, right, minus 2x. So you have 3x there minus 2x, right, then plus 2. Okay, now this, okay, let's just do that. Okay, now this remember here what we are having is hg, and hg there as well. Now what we are getting here, if you perform your subtractions there, you're going to get x plus 2, right? That's x plus 2 over that will be your x minus 1, right? So this is what you are getting. Okay, now we can now get our gh. Okay, we have our gh. So this one we are going to substitute now the function gx into the function hx into the function gx. Okay, so this is going to be nothing but so we get our function gx, which is x over x minus 1, and substitute the function 3x minus 2, that is function hx, by substituting x in the function gx. So we are going to get 3x. If we substitute x on top by the function hx, we're going to get 3x minus 2, right, over that will be 3x minus 2 minus 1, right? Now what are you getting here? So what you are getting here will just be 3x minus 2, right, over 3x, right, minus 3, right? So this is your your GHX. Okay, so we are done with question B. So this was our B, in fact, right? Now we have the question, this one, which is our C. Now in question C, we are told that, okay, let's just get this question so that you can see it properly here. Okay, so what we need to show here is to find the value of x. Remember, we need to find the value of x for which hgx is equal to ghx. Okay, so to find the value of x, we are going to substitute. We have our hgx, which we have found. This was x plus 2, right? This was x plus 2 over x minus 1, right? Now this is equal to our combination function, which is the combination of gx and hx is what we are just from calculating, and this is 3x minus 2, right? And then we have 3x minus 3, right? Okay, now if you solve that, you're going to get 3x. Okay, let's do that together. So we are going to get 3x minus 3, right? That's, we have 3x minus 3. Okay, just a moment there. Okay, just want it to be visible. So there we have inside the brackets, that's 3x minus 3, right? There we open, so we have again that's x plus 2, right? That's x plus 2 is equal to, so that will be x plus 2 is equal to okay, so just a moment there. All right, let's continue. Sorry about that. So we have here what we have, and then the other side we are going to have that's x minus 1. This is what we have, multiplied by 3x, right, minus 2. Okay, all right, now if you expand your brackets, you are going to get 6x. Okay, you're going to get 6x minus 6, right, is equal to, you're going to, this side we're going to remain with negative 2x, right? That will be plus 2. Okay, all right, so adding both sides of these equations that we have, with negative 6x and positive 6, we are going to have, that will be we are going to get 8x, right? We're going to have 8x is equal to 8, right? Now if you divide both sides by 8, you're going to find the value of x to be 1, right? So we have found the value of x for which the function, the combination function g(hx) is equal to hgx. Okay, all right, so you can confirm that by substituting 1 in the function, just to see if you are going to get the same thing. Okay, you can try that, and if you do that, you're going to find that on both sides of the function it will not be defined, so you're going to have infinite is equal to infinite. All right, okay, so let's solve some more questions in the next videos.